Okay, today I'm going to drop it down onto the chassis. This is a 1950 Pontiac Silver Streak on a 2000 Corvette C5 chassis. So I'm going to drop it and you're going to watch. So there it is. That's about as close as you're going to get to ride height today. It's pretty damn close, right about 7 inches off the floor. That's where I want it. No clearance issues. Everything's good. So that looks fucking deadly. I'm stoked. So yeah, I don't know. That's it for today. So keep watching. Don't forget to like my videos and subscribe. Besse Custom Fab. Rock and roll.